cute kiss.
Hello friends! In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color sheep in a cute and simple way, step by step. Let's get started. First, I'll draw a sheep chewing grass. I begin with its face and then add some fleece on its head, like this. Next, I draw its two eyes, followed by its nose and mouth chewing grass. Then I sketch its legs like this. Beside the sheep chewing grass, I'll draw another sheep brushing its teeth. I start by drawing its eyes, then its nose. I add bubbles around its mouth like this. After that, I draw a toothbrush and a hand holding it. Next, I sketch its head and two ears, like this, and finally draw its legs. This sheep is standing while brushing its teeth. After that, I sketch its hands holding a bundle of grass and its body walking away. As you know, grass is one of the sheep's favorite foods. Now, for the sheep picking stars, I start with its head and two ears, like this. Then, I draw its face with two eyes, a nose, and a smiling mouth. Next, I draw its body running while catching stars. Once again, I'll use a black marker to outline the drawing and make it clearer. It's time to color. We'll only need a few simple colors for this artwork. First, I use brown for the hooves. Then, I color their skin a light yellow shade. For the stars, I use yellow and orange. I paint the grass green. For their cheeks, I use pink. The skin of all the sheep is light yellow, and their hooves are painted brown, just like before. Great work, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!